Today we're going to talk about foamy water, what causes it and how to fix it. Now here, this hot tub here, it's pretty foamy. This is usually caused by shampoos, deodorants. Usually if you have kids, usually this happens a lot because maybe they washed their hair, shampooed their hair, and they didn't rinse it out properly. It's just different stuff, deodorants. So I'll tell you how to, well, there's a quick fix. Bottom line, you're going to have to drain at least half of it and fill it back up. Now, there's a quick fix you can use. There's actually two quick fixes. Okay, so right now the jets are on. So if you walk around and turn all the air, so the aerators, turn all the aerators off. Around wherever your aerators are, hopefully they work. A lot of times they fail. Turn that off. Turn that off. Turn this one off. Okay. So all the air going through the jets are off. You'll see it start disappearing. Now eventually you can sit in there and sometimes the foam gets really, really high. But this is just a temporary fix. Bottom line, you're going to have to drain it. So there's another way you can, the product you can buy for the foam if you want the jets on, or if you just don't work. So there's a product called Foamy. I'm just going to put in a second. Well, there's different names for it. So this product here, we have foam out. So they pretty much all do the same thing. So you can see the foam right here. And what I'll do is I'll put in just a little drop. Just a little tiny drop. Just a little, well, a little less than that, but you'll see the foam start disappearing. It's all disappearing. And there was a lot of it in there before. Now this is just a temporary fix. See how the foam's gone. Again, it's just a temporary fix. You're going to have to drain it. Okay? Now if this video helped you out, subscribe to me. Like, share, and we'll see you in the next one.